Hey, if you've ever wanted to offer web hosting services under your own brand, but didn't want to deal with servers, tech headaches, or expensive monthly fees, this might be the most important video you watch today. AgencyHostPro is a complete done-for-you platform that lets you start your own hosting business without any technical skills. You get access to high-speed SSD servers, unlimited site hosting, built-in email, and even a 100% uptime guarantee, all with no monthly costs. That means you can sell hosting packages to your clients, charge them monthly or yearly, and keep 100% of the profits. Here's the truth. Every website needs hosting, but most freelancers and agencies refer their clients to big-name providers like Bluehost or GoDaddy, missing out on recurring income. With AgencyHostPro, you keep that revenue in-house without touching a single server or hiring a support team. Everything is white label and beginner-friendly, so you can launch fast and scale as you go. It's not just a hosting panel, it's an entire business in a box. No ongoing maintenance, no tech team needed. Once your clients are onboarded, the system runs quietly in the background, making this a truly passive income opportunity. Whether you're a freelancer, digital agency, or side hustler, AgencyHostPro gives you a shortcut into one of the most in-demand and evergreen online services without the traditional barriers. If you've been looking for a way to generate consistent recurring income online with minimal effort, this is your chance. Don't wait until the launch deal ends. Click the link below to get started with AgencyHostPro today and finally build the hosting business you deserve.